Today, we're cooking up something truly comforting and flavorful: Cornish chicken. This is one of those dishes that's staple in so many South African homes, and there's a reason for it. It's hearty, full of spice, and has a bit of history behind it. So let me take you on a little culinary journey to explore this delicious dish. In South Africa, whether you're in the city or out in the countryside, chicken is a go to protein for so many dishes. But what's interesting is the tradition of using what's known as Cornish chicken, or sometimes fresh cut chicken. These are chicken that are no longer laying eggs, often older birds that might not be as tender as the young ones we typically think of. But they got a richness and depth of flavor that's truly something special. Growing up in many South African households, chicken curry was often served as a Sunday meal or during special family gathering. There's something about the aroma of the curry simmering on the stove that makes the whole house feel like home. It's one of those meals you'd gather around with your loved ones. And as the chicken cooked down, the rich, flavorful sauce will just get better and better. The beauty of this curry is that it's not just about the chicken itself, it's about the story each bite tells. You can taste the layer of times and culture in each spoonful, whether you're using fresh cut chicken, caul, Cornish. It's a dish that's been passed down through generation, evolving with every family's personal touch. Chicken curry is more than just food. It's a part of South African fabric. It's made during festive times, but it's also a comforting meal that can feed a crowd. The kind of dish that makes you feel connected to your roots no matter where you are. Honestly, this is just one of those dishes that makes you feel good. It's got warmth, flavor, and soul. The kind of food that sticks with you. So whether you're cooking with fresh cut or cold chicken or just using what's available, this curry is a reminder that food connects us to our past. It carries our tradition, our flavor, and our stories. And that's what makes it so special. I hope you enjoy hearing about the history and beauty of South African curry. If you ever get the chance to try it yourself, I promise you'll be in for a treat. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and stories from the heart of South Africa. See you next time. Bye bye.